Got ourselves a nice breezy day. Brought the puppies out so they can experience the first 20-25 mile an hour winds. Hopefully we won't get any big gusts. Supposed to be getting some up to 60. They don't seem to mind. Ate some food, ran around, peed on the ground, pooped, just like good little puppies. Hang supervisors. Ellie's eating all the dog food and Roger's the lookout. Oh, I gotta go distract him, he's coming out. Brought out some different toys for the pups, they like it. There's a round hedgehog, a big old rope over there that they're tugging on, another bone, a ball deer, a wacky pink ball, a blue spiky ball, and they love that hedgehog. And so does Ellie and Roger, because Ellie stole the other hedgehog. And now her and Roger are playing.